Hello and welcome to Lesson 2 of Navigating through Education Galaxy, adding student users to the database. Open your web browser, go to Education Galaxy, and log into your newly created account. Once there, drag your cursor to where it says Student Center and click on Add a Student. Here, you'll fill out the student's information. In this case, I'm going to add fictitious students. Create a username. I normally use first initial, and their last name. Select the grade. You'll select the grade based on the grade level that you teach. Choose a quick password. I tend to use something very simple like ABC. If your campus is not using Education Galaxy, you do not need to worry about this student ID. After all the information is filled out, click Add Student. And it'll let you know that the student has been added and you can add a new student. In this case, I'm going to use a name that has already been used. Okay, so it says the username J Garza is already in use by another Education Galaxy student. The system will automatically change the username to J Garza 41. So it'll compensate. It'll fix the username so you don't have to go back in and change anything else. Go ahead and accept that. And you're ready to add another student. Once you are completely done adding your students, go back to Student Center, click on Manage Users, click on the purple Manage Students. Here where it says Manage Users, select a grade, so we'll select their grade, and the students that you have entered should show up as you have entered them. And this step is mainly to ensure that your students have been properly entered into the site's database. And guess what? You are now ready to move on to Lesson 3. Thank you so much and have a great day.